Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here with our S8 Pro smartwatch, and of course, after the installation of the application is the HRYFine app. We are going to check on the offered watch faces available for the S8 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so here, as you can see here, it is preloaded with several watch faces. We are going to check on that later, and we are going to try to download additional watch faces for this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready now. Okay, we are also connected with our application. So we have here the HRYFine app. Okay, and our smartwatch is connected with the application. Okay, so we have here the dial settings, but before that, let's check first the offered watch faces here in our S8 Pro. Okay, we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. At least 14 watch faces is available in our S8 Pro smartwatch. We can download additional watch faces with our HRYFine app. Just go to dial. So we have here my dial mall, and DIY or do-it-yourself dial. That is our custom watch faces. Okay, in our dial mall, tap on it. Okay, it is now loading. So let's look, or let's search the different watch faces here. Okay, so there are free. So this one is not free, you have to buy it, I think. Okay, so let's try a free watch face. Okay, let's look for it. Let's scroll down. Okay, so let's try this Mickey Mouse watch face, as you can see here. Okay, one of the all-time favorite. We have it here. I think it's not available here in the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try and download. Tap on it. Okay, and just tap on redeem now. It's free. Okay, use immediately. Okay, it's now being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, we are on 38%, 43, 46. Okay, let's wait, and we're almost close to finish. And we are done now. Okay, so we have here our Mickey Mouse analog watch face. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the watch face. Okay, let's have another one. Let's replace this one. Okay, let's check. Okay, I like this one. Just tap on it and redeem now. Use immediately. So let's see. After this, we are going to check on the custom watch faces for our S8 Pro. Okay, so we're almost finished. Okay, so we are done. We have here the watch face, beautiful watch face. Okay, and it is free. Okay, new product listing, it is categorized here. recommended in new product listing. So tap on it and let's see. So these are the new product listing. Okay, so going back to dial mode. Okay, so let's try the do it yourself dial. Okay, so we have here our Mickey Mouse watch face. So let's check. Okay, oh, did not replace the first one. It only, okay, replace our Mickey Mouse, I think. Yes, it only replace our Mickey Mouse, not the preloaded watch face. Okay, so let's select a picture. Select a picture. Going to select this one. Okay, my all-time favorite. Then completed. Okay, going back. Select picture. Completed. It's okay now. Adjust. Okay, check. And we have here, you can change the time, position, as well as the contents. Let's change. Below heart rate, time, location, adjust. Okay, on the center, check, pick the color, and let's see. Okay, that's it. Save, and if you're set now, save and use. Now it is downloading to our smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. Okay, 60, 63. Oh, and we have successfully downloaded a custom watch face. Okay, as you can see here. So this one is not working. Okay, so just swipe. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so in my dial, so we have here the downloaded watch faces. I guess if you want to use it, just go to my dial and it will be downloaded automatically to our smartwatch, I think. Let's see and check. Okay, so you still have to get the dial. Okay, I thought it's already loaded to our smartwatch. Okay, so you just downloaded it in your support app, I think, not the smartwatch. Okay, if you want to download it, you still have to go back to the first steps. Okay, let's wait for this. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we're almost finished. Let's see, we're done with our downloading of watch face to our S8 Pro with the HRYFine support app. Okay, so that's it. Bye.